Babe's dream car. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We are in
Monaco.
You guys, let that bike go. We are in Monaco. I'm all kind of confused about where Monaco is and what Monaco is, because for me, Monaco is in France. But Babe says Monaco is not in France. It is a land by itself where the richest of the rich lives, okay? So people like you and I cannot live in Monaco. Monaco have no tax. They pay no tax, right, babe?
No income tax.
No income tax, and nothing at all. So a lot of rich people live here. They have a prince live here too. Let me just give you guys a sneak of where I am right now, what it looks like. Wait, sun is in my eye, I need my glasses. So all I'm seeing around me is yachts and boats and water and big buildings and all those fancy things. Babe, you gonna go up this step? Oh my god, we're gonna have to carry Tyler up this step right now, and that's not good, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So we are here at a car show. So we're about to, Babe got some tickets, so you guys are about to spend the day with us to see what this car show is all about. So we're about to go in, so let's go. Babe, you want this one? I said dream car, my love. I said dream car. Look at the man sitting beside the car. Look. Just like him. A Rolls Royce. Oh yeah. That's a new car, babe. You like this one? Hmm? Wow, look at that one. Look at that one. This one is sexy. Damn, baby. Baby, look. I like this one. This one is my dream car right here. Look how pretty this is. It's crazy. This one is cute. Wow. I've never seen a car this huge. This is huge. It looks huge. It is. This is Babe's dream car. He always talk about this Aston Martin. He adores this freaking car. So let's see if one day he'll end up with it. Yeah, this pink one is sexy. Tell her you want to go ride for 5 euro? Hmm? Come, Papa, come. You look fascinated by this one. This one is a monster. This is so gorgeous. I've never seen anything like this. What a beauty. Babe, what is this one called?
I don't know.
I'm too short.
Walk here.
Yeah. I don't know what is this. So we left the car show because it was shorter than we expected. We expected more cars and stuff like that, but it wasn't that big. So now we're just here along the beach, just scrolling around and see what's around here. But all I'm seeing is yachts and boats across there. You wanna go on a yacht, babe? You wanna charter a yacht?
Yeah, I want to buy it.
You wanna buy it? The way I'm afraid of water, I don't think that's gonna work.
Yeah, piggy
He's
bank.
been always saying that he wants a boat, but I can guarantee you that he'll never get a boat. I don't think he'll ever get a boat because I'm too afraid of that. I'm afraid. I guess I watch too much movies. I don't want a whale to turn over my boat and I drown and die and leave my kids and all those things. I don't think I can manage that. Monaco is very beautiful though, but man, all these high-rising buildings and yachts and boats and there's no more land available for purchasing in Monaco, so they have to build on top of what they already have. That's just crazy. That's just really crazy. But it's pretty though. It's very pretty. Can't say otherwise. It's pretty. Walking from spot number 1 to a second location, and we get to understand that there's also a third location for the same car exhibition show. So we're actually walking now from here to go and see if we can find where the other exhibitions are. So it's a little bit walk, not too far. It's good to stretch our legs after we finish eating all that junk for lunch. So no worries, we're on our way. And besides, it's so beautiful to walk because you're walking right along the beach with all these yachts and boats and all those things. So the scene is very pretty. Look down there. Very, very pretty. You guys, this is just freaking beautiful. Look at all this. It's crazy. And this place is income tax free. It's crazy, but it's so beautiful. I would live here, but I'd have to have the beach view to live. Why are you laughing? Yes, baby. Come. Run. Come. Come on. Hey, sweet boy. Ah. Run. 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 Yay. High five. High five. Don't leave me hanging. Good job. Sit too.
What you doing into the bed? You think you're a baby too?
Yeah.
You shame? You feeling shame?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
What you doing
I'm
into that?
cuddling with my son.
Okay.
He wants mama loving.
Okay, you want Mama loving in his own bed?
Yeah. You liking mama in your bed?
Mm-hmm.
We're back from Monaco, which was pretty fun. It was a good day. It was something that we didn't used to doing, so that was good. And we had so much fun. It's a good day outside because Tyler is out there in his tent playing. I don't know if you guys can see him. Let me guys show you Tyler. Oh my god. Look at this boy, Ty. Hey, hey, you turn over the tent. You turn it over. It's supposed to be this way. Look, it's supposed to be like that. Ta-da! You're having fun? And he's throwing out all the balls on the floor. But he's having fun. It's a good day. Jamaican expression for today is... What should be the Jamaican expression for today?
Me tired. Me tired, man.
Okay, them say the Jamaican expression for today should be me tired.
Me tired, man.
Me tired. Me tired means I am tired. So if somebody say to you, you look tired, means you looking woozy or droopy. Or somebody say to you, me tired, means I am tired. Okay, so that's the Jamaican expression today. You get it? Make sure you get it. Say it, babe.
Me tired.
Because he's tired. That's why he chose this one today. Officially the end of the night and you're getting two tired faces. Well, it would have been 3, but Tyler is off the bed. We're just coming on to end the vlog. It has been a long, eventful day, but we had fun, right, babe?
Like when we tired like this and now there is full. It's best to be tired or full of energy and your Saturday gone and you did nothing. So.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys get up with the Jamaican expression for today. And if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. And if it's not your first time watching, thanks for always... Our battery just died and I have to change the battery. So I was saying that we appreciate all of you guys, and if you're subscribed, tell your friend and let them subscribe, and tell your friend to tell your friend, and your friend to tell your friend and tell your friend. Okay, join us, catch up and keep up. We love you guys and continue to help us grow. And yeah, thanks for always watching, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.
Bye guys.